Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. The title of the book is English Grammar, topic grammar, and today our subtopic is adjectives that are on page number 11. The definition of the adjective is adjectives describes the quality and quantity of a noun. Adjective describe the quality and quantity of a noun. Here are adjectives. First sentence is the poet was surprised to see so many golden daffodils growing under the tree. In this sentence, golden is an adjective and daffodils is a noun. Next sentence is the poor fisherman lived by selling the fish he caught in the sea. In this sentence, poor is an adjective and fisherman is a noun. The words golden and poor in the above sentences describe the nouns daffodils and fisherman. The words like poor and golden in the above sentences describe the nouns daffodils and fisherman. Daffodils and fisherman are noun and golden and poor are adjective in these sentences. The types of the adjectives. The types of the adjectives are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, demonstrative adjective, and interrogative adjective. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. These adjectives describe the quality of a noun. These adjectives describe the quality of a noun. For example, Lucy was a young, brilliant, and well-read girl. Girl is a noun in this sentence, and young, brilliant, well-read are adjectives, and girl is a noun. Next, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. These adjectives tells us about the number of a nouns. For example, there are 52 weeks. Next example is, could you give me some money? In these sentences, some and 52 are adjectives, week and money are noun. Next is demonstrative adjective. These adjectives point out which noun is being referred to. Words like these, those, that, this, such, certain are demonstrative adjectives. These are called demonstrative adjective. For example, this boy is taller than Harold. This is an adjective. I like such books. Such is adjective and books is a noun. And the last one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective. These words like what, which, and whose. What, which, and whose are interrogative adjective. They are used with nouns or pronouns to ask question. Students, interrogative adjectives are used both with noun or pronoun. Now come on page number 11. For example, what command did he give? He is a pronoun. In this sentence, interrogative adjective used with a pronoun. What is an adjective? Here he is the pronoun for which the adjective what is used. There are some adjectives you have to write, fill in the blanks. First is, this is an interesting story. Next is, it was a dark night. The lights had gone off and I was very scared. Next, Mary was a very brave girl. And last one, the door opened into a sunny and bright room. Here are some words. You have to write a list, at least 3 adjectives. Words are, for example, face, voice, market, and school. For example, face. smiling face, happy face, sad face, wise, attractive wise, low wise, and loud wise. You have to write three adjectives of these words. Next are adjective of quantity. You have to fill in the blanks with adjective of quantity. For example, few, many, for, a little, and much. How many days did you stay in Denmark? Last year, much people suffered from dengue fever. A few of the students have not done well in their exam. And next is Olympic games are played once in 4 years. And last, our grandparents do not demand much from us. All they need is a little love and care. Next, you have to fill in the blanks with demonstrative adjective. What are demonstrative adjective? I have told you that, those, this, these, such, and certain are demonstrative adjective. First one, you have to write here, that house on the top of the hill belonged to Jack. This chair is broken, get it repaired. Now come on, next page, page number 13. Can you see those trophies on the top shelf of the cupboard? They have all been worn by Peggy, and last is all these. You have to write here these. All these dresses are very expensive. I cannot afford to buy any. Next are interrogative adjective like what, which, and whose. You have to fill in the blanks with this interrogative adjective. Whose book is this? Which box did the old witch leave behind? Which road should we take? What news have you brought for us today? And last exercise is, here are some adjectives. For example, old, young, loyal, gentle, dark, hot, warm, head, bad, shady, good, tender. You have to fill in the blanks with these adjectives. For example, I was young. I loved my mother's milk. I lived on my mother's milk as I could not eat the gentle grass in the meadow. In the daytime, I ran by her side, and in the dark night I lay down close to her. If I was a hot day, if it was a hot day, we would stand by the pond under the shady trees. And when it was cold, we had a warm shed near the plantation. As soon as I was old enough. Here you have to write old enough to eat grass. My mother started to go out to work in the daytime and would come back in the evening. My mother often said to me, I hope you will grow up to be a tender and good horse. Do not fall into bad ways. Always be loyal and gentle to your master. Lift your feet good when you trot and never bite or kick. Homework is you have to read page number 11, 12, and 13. You have learned the definitions of the adjective, and also you have learned the kinds or types of the adjective. And also you have exercise to do that are on page number 12 and 13. Take a students, Allah Hafiz.